Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be tracking my spending from January the 7th through the 14th. And I'm also going to be paying myself back for using my debit card and my credit card. So if there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be tracking my spending from January the 7th through the 14th. I did not do it January the 1st through the 6th because I just blew that budget. I just spent everything. So I'll just be honest with you. So I didn't even feel like filming. So this is my little guide that I use. These stickers I picked up from a Pink Cloth Life. So I got my 6 categories that I normally have in my wallet. I used to have groceries, but I have since changed out groceries with giving because I feel like giving should be in my wallet. I had a sinking fund for giving, but it didn't make sense for it to be at home in the sinking fund when it needs to be in my wallet. So I leave my money in the bank for my groceries. So I do giving $15 a week, household 10, Dollar Tree 15, personal 10. I'd give myself $100 a week, and then I have changed to $45 a week for eating out. I originally had $15, but that wasn't working out. So tracking has helped me to make that decision. So even though I don't get a lot of views on these videos, tracking videos, I do feel like it's vital to my journey. So you know, Miss V, I am sharing everything over here. So it's not some I have to stop focusing on the views and just focus on the journey. So I decided to continue to track my spending. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's go ahead and get started. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Miss V. My husband and I are consumer debt free at the time of this video. I am a traveling respiratory therapist, so my budget will reflect that, especially with this tracking right here, because all I do is eat and stay in the hotel. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. On the 7th, I went and got my hair done. I'm getting my hair locked. If you're not familiar, I'm getting the dreadlocks. Shout out to Taylor Budgets for the inspiration. And so I wanted her to dye my hair, so I had to buy some dye. And it was $12 at the beauty supply store. Then, so it was $12 at the beauty supply store, and that came out of personal. And you know, personal only had $10, so I took the $10 out of personal, and the other 2 came out of Miss V. Out of my spending category, out of my spending envelope. And then, so I do, the pink is spending, so I do $2 for spending. So I need to go back and put 10 for, you can tell I didn't do this last week. I'm already messing up. So that's supposed to be a 10. I'll get some white out and fix that. Excuse me. Then I stopped somewhere and got some food. And so that was $4. So eating out is this black. So yeah, on the 7th. So I got my hair done and picked up something to eat on the 7th. Then on the 8th, I ate out again. Look like that's all I'm doing. Oh yeah, I was back at work, so it's a total of like $27 I spent on food. That includes snacks, and we ate out, and then you know they order through DoorDash and all those delivery services, and it's expensive. So that was $27 a total. Yeah, because I think I did like $4 for breakfast, $3 for snacks, and we ended up spending like $20 on lunch. Yeah, we don't do that often, but we did it that day. And then the light purple is Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree and spent like, wrong pen. Dollar Tree and spent like $13. Check that video out. I got some budgeting essential items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Some of them were new to my Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is still $1 as of right now. They haven't increased their price. Yay for Dollar Tree. So okay, that's Sunday. Still eating food. All I can do is eat and go to the hotel. So I spent how much on Sunday is the 9th. Looking at my cheat sheet, I did $4.50 in snacks. Oh, and we ate out again, but it was much reasonable this time. It was $10. So I'm gonna say a total of $15 for eating out. And then I did an Amazon order ordered me some things, and that was like $44. Check that video out. Also, it's with the Dollar Tree haul. So I did a Dollar Tree and Amazon haul in one video. So yeah, so that came out of spending. Then on the 10th, still eating out. I think I took my lunch this day, and I only did $4 for breakfast. And then on the 11th, food again. I spent a total of $16, and as you can see on the 12th, yay, nothing there. Guess what? I finally got a no spend. You know, Miss V, I stopped focusing on the no spend, and I just had to start focusing on staying on budget. So there's one no spend, yay. And then the last day, my husband and I went to IHOP for brunch, and I just love the way the waitress, I just like the way she presented herself. She did. When she took your order, she stepped away from the table, had her mask on. She was very professional, and I just loved it. So I gave her the entire $15 that was in my giving envelope. And so that's it. So this just lets me know, I mean, I'm eating out a lot, but I'm not gonna worry about it because I'm traveling, and it's hard, not impossible, but it's hard for me to meal prep. Yeah, I'm making an excuse. I just hadn't took the time to actually meal prep. It's kind of hard to meal prep in a hotel, and it depends on how they have my schedule. Because if I work 3 days straight, that means I'm away from home 2 nights. So I just don't worry about it. I just eat out. I mean, because they are paying me like a good amount of money for food, but yeah. So I just decided to just enjoy the journey. But yeah, at some point I am going to start back meal prepping, mainly because I liked it and I felt better. But as of right now, this week, I'm not meal prepping. So that's it for my spending. What did I spend? So now let's pay myself back for using my debit card. So this will be my first time doing this on my video. So I've been using my debit card and my credit card. You know, I'm a credit card user to get my reward points. A lot of people don't agree with that, but that's okay. They don't have to do it on their journey, but I'm doing it on mine because I have almost $500 in cash reward so far, and I'm gonna put that towards my mortgage so they can say what they want. That's why it's personal finance. So Miss V chooses to use her credit card and pay it off weekly. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and do this video and put this money back in the bank. Even if it's only $10 I have to pay myself back, I'm just gonna get in a habit of paying myself back. So what I did was, each category where I owe the bank some money, I put it on here. So my daughter Erica, she borrowed $40 from me. She's supposed to pay me back Sunday. So what I'm gonna do is take this $35 out of her envelope, $35, and pay myself back that $40 I sent her in cash out. We're gonna put that right there. So she still owe me $5. So I'd rather do it this way. So when she pays me back, I'll just put her money back in here. So that way, when it comes time for her birthday, guess what? She be like, Mom, you ain't give me no birthday present. I'm like, yes I did. I gave it to you during the year. You remember when you got that $40 and that $50 you kept borrowing money? Yeah. So I put on there, she owed me $5. Put it back in my buffer account. So yeah, that's how I choose to do mine. So yeah, that's why I like watching everybody's video, because everybody does everything different. It's just entertaining to me. So what's today's date? The 14th. So we're gonna do a withdrawal of $35. So she got 0. Okay, so I got that money back. Oh, all right, get together, Miss V, get together. See, I'm behind the camera, so I'm making a mess over here. So next thing we're gonna do is see who else owes. She didn't borrow any money. I didn't take anything out of it. I didn't take anything out of it. Self-care. I bought me a brush. Let me show you what I bought. You know, Miss V, this year I'm focusing, well, I'm always gonna focus on self-care, but I'm really focusing on self-care. So I picked me up this brush, this electric brush from Target. Let me fix this camera. Zoom you all the way out. Yeah. And it was $5 over there in the, you know, the dollar section. So, you know, I wear makeup. So about once or twice a month, I like to give myself give my face a good cleaning. So I picked this up for $5. So I feel like that $5 should come out of self-care. So I put me a note right there for my cleansing brush. So I had $10 in here, so I'm gonna swap it out and put a 5 right here. And I'll update this tracker. So yeah, this gonna be part of my tracking my spending. All right, so that gives me a balance of $5 for self-care. Next, nothing in investments, subscriptions, car, home. Okay, finished with that binder. So we're gonna see what we got in this one. Let's see if we did it. Did we take from any of these categories? Like my new envelopes, I have them available in my shop for thecreator.com. So I didn't do anything from entertainment, good grades, medical, nothing, new car, nothing, support small, nothing, unbudgeted. So with unbudgeted, I picked up some things. I went back to the Dollar Tree and spent an additional $10. You remember I only budget $15 for the week, but I went over the budget. So I picked up some more items that I needed. And then let me show you what else I got from Target. Oh, here it is. Right here. This multi-charging hub. Like when I'm in the hotel, sometimes they only have one outlet for the USB cable, and I have to plug up my phone. Sometimes I take my laptop, and sometimes I have my watch. So I can plug this in and do multiple things. So I picked this up for $5. So that came out of unbudgeted. So unbudgeted owes me $15 back to the bank. And I have 20 in here. And so I gotta find a 5. So let me get some change and I'll be back. Okay, so I got me some change out of my investment envelope. So 15 goes back to the bank. And 5 goes in the unbudgeted envelope. Because remember I had $20 in there and I only owe 15. So 10 from the Dollar Tree and 5 from that multi-charging hub I picked up from Target. So I put these back. So I usually do this off camera. My sister was like, why you don't record it? I was like, shoot, I don't have time to record. I'm trying to hurry up and get that money back to the bank because I'm still traumatized from using my credit card. So I got some discipline, but I'm still a little scarred. So I decided I'd start sharing this part of my journey also. I share as much as my journey as I can to, you know, be realistic, but yeah. So I'll put this money, as you can see, I already got some money in there. So I put this money goes back to the bank, and what I will do is, today, I have to withdraw money out of there for my cash stuffing. So let me see how much we got going back to the bank. 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. So what I do is, instead of just physically taking this to the bank, the amount of money that I need to withdraw for my cash stuffing and my sinking funds and all my savings challenge, I'll just subtract $65. So that $65 will actually stay in the bank. So that's how I do mine. Yeah. So yeah, so that's it. This is the money that's going back to the bank for my debit card and credit cards, and I've tracked my spending for the week. So I'm ready. I'm getting ready for next week. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.